Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Riot client is running, and I will show you the 4 effective solution that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first just click on this menu option, and here you will see the Riot client. Just right click on that and click on the exit. So once you exit it, just try to uninstall. And if this is not working, right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. Here you just need to search for the game of the Riot client, which is the League of Legends or the Valorant, and just simply click on the end task or the close it. Then you have to search for the Riot client. If any instances of the Riot client are in here, then you can simply end task it. Then you can simply go to the startups. Here you just need to search for the Riot client. So guys, make sure this status is set to the disable, and after that just look for the Vanguard Day notification, and you also need to make sure its status is also set to disable. So once you disable it, you just need to restart your PC and just see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then you can go to the Windows set, type here the services and open it. Now here you just need to search for the service name VGC. So you can right click on that and go to its properties and choose a startup prior to automatic. Then simply click on the apply and click on the OK. Then try to uninstalling the Riot client and see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then you have to simply look for the Riot client launcher. So you just need to right click on your Riot client launcher and click on the open file location. So now once it file location was open, just click on the Riot client option or the Riot games folder you are seeing on the top like this. So once you click on that, now here just simply click on the folder you are seeing on the left hand side of the Riot games. Here you will see the Riot games folder. So you can right click on that and delete this folder. Once you delete it, now your problem is fixed, and this will fix your problem definitely. Then you have to try to uninstall the Riot client. First you can try to uninstall the games, or then you can uninstall the Riot client, and this can fix your problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.